Dubai is the city of dreams, luxury, and unforgettable experiences. But does this hotel live up to the dream or fall short? Let's find out. Welcome to the Jumeirah Burj Al Arab Hotel. Jumeirah Burj Al Arab is not just a hotel, but a true legend, a symbol of luxury and impeccable service. Its iconic sail is visible from afar, and from the very first glance, you realize you've arrived at a truly special place. Suites with panoramic windows, golden accents in the interior, and views of the endless sea create an atmosphere of absolute exclusivity. The cuisine here is insanely delicious, especially the breakfasts, and every dinner turns into a refined ritual. The infinity pool right by the sea, a private beach with perfect service, and a spa where you forget about time, all of this awaits you here. The hotel staff are a model of ideal service, discreet, caring, and professional. Burj Al Arab impresses not only from the outside but in everything behind its walls. This is a place where luxury doesn't shout but speaks to you in the language of flawless comfort. The hotel is rated 4.7 on Google, 9.2 on Booking, and 4.6 on TripAdvisor. However, even such a popular hotel has its drawbacks that may significantly affect your decision. Let's take a closer look at all the pros and cons of this hotel so you can make the right choice. But before we begin, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and support this video with likes and comments. Thank you. The Jumeirah Burj Al Arab Hotel is a place that seems to have stepped out of a fairy tale. Its iconic sail truly looks like a symbol of a dream floating above the desert. The amenities are simply stunning, with everything thoughtfully designed and executed with exceptional taste. The temperature-controlled infinity pool right by the sea became a real oasis of relaxation for me. Although the price is clearly not for the average person, I felt that every dollar spent was justified. This is truly the most luxurious hotel, where the spirit of wealth and class is felt everywhere. The location is also breathtaking, with fantastic views. The pool is magnificent, though I would have preferred a bit more privacy. Sometimes there were too many outsiders around. Otherwise, the atmosphere in the hotel was wonderfully quiet and relaxing. Burj Al Arab definitely lives up to its reputation as the only 7-star hotel in the world. I left with the feeling that I had lived a few days in a truly luxurious dream. I hope I described my impressions of this beautiful hotel accurately enough. And now, friends, let's head to the restaurant to enjoy exquisite dishes from the best chefs. Dining at the Jumeirah Burj Al Arab Hotel is a true gastronomic paradise. Breakfasts were absolutely incredible. A huge selection of dishes, all delicious and beautifully presented. Every morning felt like being in the best restaurant in Dubai. The quality of the food is truly impressive, everything is top-notch. I especially remember our anniversary dinner at Aliwan restaurant. The atmosphere, service, and dishes were simply magnificent. It was an evening I'll remember for a long time. We also dined at Al Mahara, and to be honest, the tasting menu disappointed us. Nearly every dish had too much lemon, which overpowered the flavors. Nevertheless, the restaurants themselves are very stylish and refined. Prices are above average, of course, but quite in line with the level of the establishment. The food here is not just nourishment, it's part of the luxurious experience. I was deeply impressed by the service and presentation. Combined with the gold-accented room, it creates a sense of absolute exclusivity. So friends, let's go check out my suite. The rooms at Jumeirah Burj Al Arab are, without exaggeration, the best I've ever seen. I stayed in a 2-story suite with stunning design, enormous space, and a view that took my breath away. Panoramic windows open to the sea on one side and the beach on the other. It was magical. The suite was truly vast and every detail spoke of luxury and attention to detail. It was especially pleasant to use the Hermes toiletries. The fragrant perfumes, cologne and lotions were a delightful bonus. Luxurious robes and well-thought-out amenities made the stay as comfortable as possible. However, I did slightly regret the lack of a balcony. I would have loved to sit outside and enjoy the view. Also, the bathroom lacked an extractor fan, which was occasionally noticeable. The interiors are grand, including gold accents, which are impressive, but in some places, you can feel that the hotel is 25 years old, and the style felt a bit outdated to me. Despite this, the overall impression of the room remains amazing. The service was flawless, everything worked like Swiss clockwork. Staying here is a truly exclusive experience. And now, let's talk about the most important thing, the hotel staff. Because let's agree, how well the staff work makes a huge difference. Service is what separates an average hotel from a truly luxurious place to stay. I personally really like the staff at Jumeirah Burj Al Arab. From the very first minutes, I felt genuine hospitality and a high level of service. All the employees were very friendly, pleasant to talk to, and incredibly attentive to details. The service is truly top tier and it's noticeable in everything. I especially want to highlight the butler service. Everything was organized flawlessly, with respect and tact. Any request was fulfilled quickly and with a smile. The staff were always polite and responsive, no matter the time of day. I never once felt any intrusiveness, only discreet care. The entire hotel team works in harmony, creating an atmosphere of true luxury. Here, guests are genuinely valued, and they know how to make your stay unforgettable. Such service is rare even among luxury hotels. Thanks to the staff, I truly felt like I was in a special place. I want to thank every hotel employee. You're amazing, and it's you who make this hotel 7-star. The beach at Jumeirah Burj Al Arab left a very pleasant impression on me. It's truly excellent, clean, well-maintained, and perfect for a relaxing vacation. Guests are taken to the beach club by small golf carts, which makes getting around comfortable and easy. There were always free loungers on the beach, and the staff quickly brought towels and cold water. The seawater was warm and clear, swimming was pure pleasure. The sand is fine and clean, and the atmosphere was very pleasant. Music played subtly in the background, creating a setting for full relaxation. The beach club offers both cocktails and snacks, which I really liked. Everything was delicious and stylish. What I especially liked was that no one disturbed the rest. Everything was discreet and respectful toward guests. This is one of those beaches you never want to leave. In short, I was absolutely delighted. The one and only 7-star hotel in the world, Jumeirah Burj Al Arab in Dubai, is not just a hotel. It's an icon of luxury where every detail highlights the exceptional level. Everything here, from the pristine beach and thoughtful architecture to the exquisite cuisine and 2-story suites, is designed to impress even the most demanding guest. Panoramic views, luxurious gold-accented interiors, amazing food, and absolute comfort create the feeling of being in another world. Despite minor things like the lack of a balcony or the slight aging of some elements, the atmosphere of wealth, coziness, and privacy makes the stay truly unforgettable. The staff are a particular point of pride for the hotel. Discreet, professional, attentive, and genuinely caring. This hotel fully deserves its legendary reputation. It's no wonder they call it the only 7-star hotel in the world. Burj Al Arab is not just a vacation, it's an experience you want to have at least once in your life. Personally, I definitely recommend visiting this hotel and can confidently say, you won't regret it.